In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Evernote Notes. Evernote is a powerful tool that lets you organize your thoughts, ideas, and important information all in one place. Whether you're using it for personal, education, or business purposes, accessing your notes efficiently is key to making the most of this platform. So, let's get started. First off, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in www.evernote.com. This will take you to the Evernote homepage. Evernote has a user-friendly interface that's designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a couple of options for starting or logging into a session. To access your notes, you'll need to log in to your account if you haven't already. Click the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Now, enter your Evernote account credentials. This will usually be your email or username, accompanied by your password. Remember, your Evernote account is like a vault. It holds your valuable notes, ideas, and information, so ensure that your password is strong and keep it secure at all times. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Evernote provides a recovery option to help you regain access. Once you've entered your credentials, hit the Login button, and in just a few moments, you'll be transported into the heart of your Evernote workspace. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're in. From this central dashboard, you can view and manage all your notes and notebooks. It's all laid out conveniently for you to easily navigate through. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a panel that includes your notebooks, tags, and a shortcut to create new notes. Click around and explore. You'll see how intuitive it is. If you have specific notebooks categorizing different subjects of interest, they will be listed here. Clicking on a notebook allows you to see all the notes stored within it. If you're looking for a specific note but can't recall which notebook it's in, simply use the search bar at the top. It's remarkably efficient in bringing up relevant results, even from older notes you might have forgotten about. Additionally, keep an eye out for features that let you manage your notes further, such as editing, sharing, or organizing them with tags for easier retrieval later on. This all happens right from your browser, so there's no need to hop between apps. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access your Evernote notes right from the web. I hope this guide empowers you to maximize all that Evernote has to offer, keeping everything you need just a click away. Remember, organization is key to productivity, and with Evernote, you're well on your way. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to keep exploring the many functionalities Evernote provides to keep your world ordered and at your fingertips.